Welcome to our tutorial on enabling microphone access for the Clubhouse app on your Android device. If you're experiencing issues with speaking in rooms or your microphone isn't working, this video will guide you through the steps to grant the necessary permissions and ensure smooth audio functionality. First, locate the Clubhouse app icon on your Android device. Press and hold the icon until a menu appears. Next, tap on App Info from the menu options. Then, select Permissions from the list. Here, you'll see all the permissions the app has or hasn't been granted. After that, find and tap on Microphone. This will open the microphone permission settings for Clubhouse. Finally, choose Allow Only while using the app. This setting ensures that Clubhouse can access your microphone only when the app is actively in use, balancing functionality with privacy. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.